Pepeto is back in the spotlight after a recent social media post sparked renewed speculation about its launch date. The post, which gained traction on platforms like X and Telegram, has led investors and traders to believe that an official announcement could be imminent. This isn't the first time Pepeto has been in the news, but the timing and context of this post suggest a growing sense of anticipation. The project has already crossed a major pre-sale milestone, raising $10 million. That kind of capitalization is significant for any crypto project, especially one that's still in the pre-launch phase. Investors are watching closely to see if this means the team is preparing for a public token listing or a broader market launch. The increased online activity around Pepeto is a clear sign that the project is gaining attention from both retail and institutional investors. One of the key questions now is whether exchanges like Uniswap or even Binance are preparing to list Pepeto. While there are no official confirmations yet, the discussions on social media suggest that traders are speculating about a potential listing on major platforms. A listing on a large exchange would likely bring a surge in liquidity and visibility for the token, which could have a direct impact on its price and adoption. The broader crypto community is. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Also paying attention to Pepeto because of the current trend in meme coins. With projects like Dogecoin and Shiba in use still in the spotlight, there's a growing appetite for new meme tokens that can capture public interest. If Pepeto manages to launch successfully, it could become one of the most talked about meme coins of the year. Right now, the main uncertainty is around the exact timing of the launch. While the presale has reached a significant milestone, the team hasn't provided any official dates or timelines. Investors are trying to piece together clues from social media activity and project updates, but so far, there's no concrete information to go on. What's clear is that the project has a strong foundation in terms of community engagement and capital raised. That gives some investors confidence that the project is moving in the right direction. At the same time, others are cautious, waiting for more definitive signals before committing further. Another important factor is the potential for Pepeto to be listed on CoinMarketCap. A listing on a major tracking platform would give the token more legitimacy and make it easier for investors to track its performance. While there are no official announcements yet, the discussions on social media suggest that this is something the community is actively monitoring. Looking ahead, the next key signal to watch is whether the project announces an official launch date or confirms a listing on a major exchange. If either of these happens, it could trigger a significant move in the token's price and trading volume. For now, the market is in a holding pattern, waiting for more information. In the meantime, the conversation around Pepeto continues to grow. With more people talking about the project online and more capital flowing into its presale, it's clear that Pepeto is building momentum. Whether that momentum translates into a successful launch remains to be seen, but the signs are pointing in the right direction. The stakes are high for Pepeto's team, as most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Project has attracted a large and engaged community. If the launch is handled well, with proper infrastructure and exchange support, it could see rapid growth. However, if the launch is poorly timed or lacks clear communication, it could lead to confusion and a loss of trust among early adopters. Investors are also looking for signs that the team is actively working on the project and responding to community feedback. The next signal could come in the form of an official statement, a social media update from the team, or a sudden surge in trading activity on presale platforms. Until then, the focus remains on the speculation and the growing buzz around Pepeto.